Welcome back to our final episode of Unlocking Heart Rate Training. Today, we're going to gamify your heart rate training and show you how to make workouts fun. Imagine turning your workout into an exciting adventure. Gamification can add a layer of fun to exercising. It's like playing a game where each step you take is a new level or challenge. Apps that incorporate gamification can reward you for hitting targets, completing challenges, or even competing with friends. You're not just tracking your heart rate, you're on a mission. Here are some tips to keep your workouts exciting. Set personal challenges like, how many steps can I take this week? Join group classes to share the fun with others. Use achievement badges to celebrate your milestones. People who've embraced gamified fitness often find they stick to their workouts longer because it feels less like a chore and more like an adventure. To sum up, heart rate training zones are not just real. They can be incredibly effective when combined with engaging strategies. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, so find what works best for you. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments. Let's empower our fitness journeys together.